Hello learners, today we will discuss the parallel connection of resistor. Let us say three resistor having value R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel across the supply voltage V. Now, since the circuit is closed, let us say current I flows through the circuit. But at this point, we can say the current is dividing into three parts. So let us say the current flowing through R1 is I1, current flowing through R2 is I2, and current flowing through R3 is I3. Okay, so at this point all the current is summed and total current I. Now the potential across each resistor is same. You can see here. So the voltage is same across R1, R2 and R3, that is the 3 volt. Okay. Now we know that by Ohm's law V is equal to I into R and I is equal to V upon R. Okay. Now let us say the current flowing through R1 is I1 equals to V upon R1. Same way, the current flowing through R2 is I2 equals to V upon R2. Same way, the current flowing through R3 is I3 equals to V upon R3. So, the total current I will be I1 plus I2 plus I3. So from above equation, you can see here from above equation, I is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3. Now substituting the equation, I1 is equal to V by R1 plus V by 2 plus V by V by R3. Taking V outside, we can say it is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So here I by V equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So let us say, or by Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. So I upon V equals to 1 upon R. So replacing the value, we'll get 1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So for n numbers of resistor connected in parallel, we have equation 1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus shift up to 1 upon Rn. Okay. So if two resistors are connected in parallel, we have 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, that's equal to R2 plus R1 into R1 into R2, which means total R equals to R1 2 upon R1 plus R2. So this will be the value of R when the two resistors are connected in parallel. Okay. Now let us say R is 2, R2 is 4 and R3 is also 1. Therefore 1 upon R equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 1. So it would be, here we'll say would be 4. So 2 plus 1 plus 4, okay, divided by 4. Okay, so it is 7 upon 4. So a value of R will be 4 upon 7. That would be 0.5. So you can see the value of total resistance would be less than the least value of resistor connected in parallel. So here total resistor would be less than the least value of resistor connected in parallel. So it is less than 1. Okay. So here you have to remember this thing. Okay. I hope you get the clear idea for parallel connection of resistor. If you have still doubt, you can write it in a comment section. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.